Reflection of light. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Our today's topic of discussion is light and phenomena related to light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which enable us to see object from which it comes from or from which it is reflected. Do you know which is the ultimate source of light?
Yes, ma'am. Sun.
Very good. Luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous object. The luminous object which emit their own light are called luminous object, like sun, other star, candle, bulb, fire, firefly, etc. Non-luminous object. The object which do not emit their own light but only reflect the light which falls on them, like chair, flower, ball, book, moon, planet, and so on. Nature of light. Light has dual nature, wave as well as particle. Wave theory of light. Light consists of electromagnetic wave which do not require a material medium for their propagation. Particle theory of light. Light is composed of particles which travel in a straight line at a very high speed. Reflection of light. When light falls on the surface of an object, some of it is sent back. The process of sending back the light which falls on highly polished surface. Law of reflection. First, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Second, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the reflecting surface at a point of incidence lies in the same plane. Properties of image formed by the plane mirror. The image formed by the plane mirror is first, virtual and erect, that is, cannot be taken on the screen. Second, laterally inverted, means the left side of the image seems to be right and the right side of the image seems to be left. Third, the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Fourth, the image formed is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. Reflection of light by spherical mirror, concave mirror, reflecting surface curved inward. They are also called converging mirror. Convex mirror, reflecting surface curved outward. It is also called diverging mirror. There are various terms related to spherical mirror to be known while studying the image formed by the spherical mirror. First, pole. It is the geometrical center of spherical mirror and it is denoted by P. Second, center of curvature. The reflecting surface of spherical mirror form a part of sphere, the center of which it is called center of curvature. It is denoted by C. Principal axis. The line joining the pole and the center of curvature. Radius of curvature. The radius of sphere of which the reflecting surface of the spherical mirror. It is denoted by R. Focus of convex mirror. It is the point on its principal axis from which a beam of light ray initially parallel to the axis appears to diverging after being reflected from the convex mirror. Convex mirror has virtual focus, that is situated behind the mirror. Focus of concave mirror. It is the point on the principal of axis to which all the light ray which are parallel and close to the axis converge after reflection from the concave mirror. Concave mirror has real focus, that is situated in the front of mirror. Focal length. It is the distance between its pole and focus. Relationship between radius of curvature and focal length. Radius of curvature is twice the focal length. R is equal to 2f or R is equal to R upon 2. Now tell me, students, if the focal length of a spherical mirror is 12.5 cm, what will be its radius of curvature? Solution. Focal length f is equal to 12.5 cm. Radius of curvature R is 2f. That is 2 into 12.5 will be 25 cm. Image formed. How to draw ray diagram? Image formed by spherical mirror. First, a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis passes through its focus after reflection. Second, a ray of light passing through the center of curvature, it is reflected back along the same path. Third, a ray of light passing through the focus become parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Fourth, when a ray of incidence towards pole is reflected, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Now I will explain you the difference between real and the virtual image. Real image. The image which are taken on the screen are called real image. These images are always inverted. These images are formed by the concave mirror and convex lens. Virtual image. The images which are not taken on the screen are called virtual image. These images are always erect. These images are formed by convex mirror and concave lens. Properties of image formed by the concave mirror. First, real and inverted. Second, size of the image formed depend upon the position of the object placed in front of mirror. May be small or enlarged than object or same size as that of the object. Third, concave mirror also form the virtual image if the object is placed in between the pole and the focus. Properties of image formed by the convex mirror. First, virtual, erect and smaller than the object. Formation of different type of images by the concave mirror. First, when the object is placed beyond the C. A. Position of the object beyond the C. B. Position of the image formed between C and F. C. Nature of the image formed, real and inverted. D. Size of the image formed, smaller than the object. Second, when the object is placed at C. A. Position of the object placed at C. B. Position of the image formed at C. C. Nature of the image formed, real and inverted. D. Size of the image formed, same as that of the object. Third, when the object is placed between C and F. A. Position of the object placed between C and F. B. Position of the image formed beyond C. C. Nature of the image formed, real and inverted. D. Size of the image formed, enlarged. Fourth, when the object is placed at the focus. A. Position of the object placed at F. B. Position of the image formed, infinity. C. Nature of the image formed, real and inverted. D. Size of the image formed, highly enlarged or magnified. Fifth, when the object is placed between the focus F and pole P. A. Position of the object placed F and P. B. Position of the image formed behind the mirror. C. Nature of the image formed, virtual and erect. D. Size of the image formed, enlarged and magnified. Sixth, when the object is at infinity. A. Position of the object, infinity. B. Position of the image formed at focus. C. Nature of the image formed, real and inverted. D. Size of the image formed, much smaller than the object or